2016 1.4 liter turbo Chevy Cruse Evap Purge Solenoid testing. This is the original Evap Purge solenoid from the car, and part of this testing is testing your new parts, because I can show you that the new part is bad that I purchased. So the part number CP0496. So what we're going to do is just take a vacuum tester, manual vacuum tester, and how this works is we're going to apply vacuum to it. On your Evap Purge solenoids, you should apply vacuum to the inlet and the outlet. So if you apply vacuum, this here would be the outlet. You can see according to the gauge, it's holding pressure there. This is the one that came off the car. This is the bad one. I'll show you why this is bad. What's happening is it's just continuously flowing vacuum through. See, I can't hold vacuum. This is the part that comes off the intake manifold. This has continuous vacuum. Now if we block off the port on the end and we apply vacuum, you can see that it's holding vacuum provided I have the port blocked. Okay, as soon as I remove my finger, you can see vacuum loses immediately. This valve is normally closed all the time. So basically, in a nutshell, what happens is in the car, this has got manifold vacuum being drawn on it. It's continuously drawing through here no matter what the solenoid is doing, whether it's electrically applied or not. This solenoid is normally closed. When you apply pulse width modulation, current, voltage, whatever you want to do, and you apply that to the solenoid, it opens the solenoid and allows vacuum to flow through the solenoid itself. The aftermarket solenoid comes with an adapter hose that goes on, just snaps on like that. So the inlet side gets manifold vacuum. You apply manifold vacuum to it. As you can see, it holds. We release the vacuum from it, flip the valve around. This is the evap side. You apply vacuum to it, it drops. Bad part. Right out of the box, brand new. As you can tell with the factory one going on it holds vacuum, but it's going straight through on the other side. So ordered another part, manifold vacuum side. You can pull straight up, 15 inches of vacuum, and it's holding. Flip the valve around, purge side. I try not to go above 10 inches of vacuum there. And as you can see, it's holding just fine. This valve is good. Always test your new part. A lot of times you put the new part in, you end up with a problem.